Hello children, how are you all? I hope you all are staying healthy, happy, safe and having lots of fun at home. Today we are going to learn about different parts of a plant and why each part is important to a plant. Children, we have different parts in our body: eyes, nose, hands and legs, etc. They all are important for us and each part performs a different role. In the same way, plants also have many parts like flower, leaves, fruit, roots, etc. And each part performs different tasks and very important for plants. Let us discuss what are the important parts of a plant. Bud, flower, leaves, fruit, stem and roots. Children, do you want to meet different parts of a plant? Are you ready?
Now children, I would like to show you parts of a plant by showing you a real plant. Are you ready children? Tell me, what part is it? Yes, this is root. Repeat after me, root. Now, what is this part of the plant called? Stem. This is stem. Children, these are leaves. And the most beautiful part of the plant is a flower. This is a flower. And this is a bud. Bud protect the baby flower from the harmful insects. So, children, these are the parts of a plant and each part performs different tasks and very important for plant.
Children, every part of a plant has an important role. So, I am going to tell you about parts of a plant and their functions. Hello, I am the bud. I protect the baby flower or the baby leaves from the harmful insects. So, who am I? Bud. Very good. Now that you know what is my functions, do you want to meet my other friend? Yes, I want you to meet my friend. Her name is Flower. Hello, I am a flower. I am the most beautiful part of the plant. I have a sweet smell. I bloom from a bud and grow into fruits. I also help the plant to reproduce. I attract bees and other insects. So, who am I? Flower. Great. Now that you know my functions, do you want to meet my other friend? Yes. His name is Fruit. Hello, I'm the fruit. I am that part of a plant which contains seeds. Some fruits like papaya and watermelon have many seeds. And fruits like plum and peach have only one seed. From these seeds, new plant grows. I serve as a food to make you strong and healthy. Okay kids, who am I? Fruit. Very good. Now that you know my functions, do you want to meet my other friend? Yes, I want you to meet my friend. His name is Leaf. Hi kids, I am a leaf. I grow on the stem of a plant. I have a very important role. I absorb the sunlight and make food for the plant. So, who am I? Leaf. Great. Now that you already know me, would you like to meet my other friend? Yes, his name is Stem. Hello, I'm the stem. I usually grow above the ground. I support branches, leaves, flowers, and fruits. I carry food and water to the different parts of the plant. So, who am I? Stem. Do you want to meet my other friend? Yes, I want you to meet my friend. His name is Root. Hello, I am the root. I am the one who usually grow under the ground. I absorb water, minerals, and nutrients from the soil. I am the one who can hold the plant firmly in the ground. So, who am I? Root. Very good. Now activity time. In this activity, we will match the parts of the plant to the picture. Are you ready, children? Good. What picture is this? These are roots. Draw a slanting line and match the roots to the given picture. Very good. What picture is this? This is a flower. Let us match the flower to the given picture. Very good. Next picture is leaf. Draw a slanting line and match the leaf to the given picture. Now tell me, what picture is this? Yes, the stem. Now draw a slanting line and match with the stem. I hope you all enjoyed today's class. Thank you. Bye-bye.